Tesla Model 3 Hearse from Derks Funeral Mobility. The EV received major modifications to be able to fit a casket. If you want your loved ones to whisk you away to your final resting place in silence, there's a new hearse for sale made for just that. A heavily modified Tesla Model 3 is up for grabs in the Netherlands, with Derks Funeral Mobility asking a whopping €118,950, $123,887 at today's exchange rate. The Tesla is brand new, assembled in late 2023. It has just 34 miles on the odometer and is built on the restyled and updated Model 3. However, the back of the car underwent a major redesign to accommodate a casket. The sheet metal from the front door's rearward is all new, with a roof that bulges upward and outward at the back, ending in a massive hatch. The rear taillights, reintegrated into the redesigned rear fascia, remain unmodified. While the rear doors are gone, the Tesla features a pair of storage cubbies on both sides of the car behind the front doors. Inside, the front cabin is unchanged from a stock Model 3. It has the brand's minimalistic styling and a large screen in the center of the dash. A partition separates the front seats from the massive cargo area that looks finished in high-quality materials. There's even an elegant lighting element in the ceiling that mimics a Rolls-Royce.